Hello everyone, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. I am a master certified wedding planner and florist. I have many years of experience in the wedding industry. My business caters to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, custom month of coordinations. We also do home staging. So if you're selling your home to prospective buyers and you just need someone to give your room an updated look or change how things are to give buyers an idea how it is, or if it's an Airbnb and so on and so forth, we cater to that as well. We do planning and decor, but it doesn't necessarily mean you have to do both together. You can do it planning separately, you can do decor, you can combine it together. We have custom packages that we cater to fit our clients' needs because not every clients are alike. Some clients might want the simplicity of certain things, so we have a la carte services that we can add on for you to get exactly what you need. We do destination weddings. We do planning in all states. For decor, it has to be a certain budget minimum for us to do decor outside of our area, like Delaware, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Maryland. So if you want us to do decor, it has to be outside of the state. Reason being is that there's a lot of moving parts that come along with decor and flowers. So it has to be a certain budget minimum for us to do outside our surrounding areas. So today I'm just gonna switch gears a little bit about the video. If you are just joining, once again, as I said, my name is Linda Gunnar. I decided to do these videos to give prospective clients, ideas, and also anybody that planning a wedding to just get idea, tricks, and tools how to help you on when you are in a different virtual stage in your career, and also just planning your event. So today I'm just going to talk about people in general. Some of the things that we do in life can impact, make, or break certain things about us. The first thing is that no matter who you meet, where you meet somebody, whether it's work, business, whatever, personal relationship, and so on and so forth. Sometimes people are brought into our life for a season. I believe, God bring people in our life to get us to where we need to go. And sometimes it may not work out the way we expect it to work out. No matter what happened, always try to leave on some kind of good note. And what I mean by that is you guys don't have to be friends. You don't have to be buddy. Maybe you never have to talk again. But for your own mental, for your own personal health, my advice is always leave on a great note. So I will use myself for example. Sometimes there's certain things that people do you and that hurts. And I set boundaries. Now I let it go. It's not so much for that person, but for my own sanity because I don't want to carry on to that hate. I don't want to hold on to that pain. I don't want to just let that just linger and fester inside of me because I'm giving that person more power over me. I'm giving you more control than they deserve. I forgive for me, not for you. I may not let go. What I mean is that I may not forget what the things that you did, but I will forgive you just for my own benefits. We may never be close again. We may never talk again, but I keep my distance away. And also, even in a professional setting, let's say I'll use example that I met somebody many years ago through some business course that I took, and recently down the line, and even after that course was over, once in a while, we through social media, when we see setting milestone things going on in each other's life, we just thank and say, congratulations and so on and so. So it was always that nice relationship that started, and we kept it on through social media, not constantly. Maybe years may go by, you might say hey, and so on and so forth. Um, there were certain things that I needed to do in regards to my business. And for some reason, I know that person had access to that information. Even if they didn't do it themselves, I knew they might have some kind of idea linker who to contact and what to do. And luckily for me, I was correct. But through that, once I contacted them, they was able to give me that information. They indeed did it themselves. That was able to put me on the path, or the right path of what I needed to do. So the example of that is that we was colleagues. We may not have been friends, but we were colleagues. And through that relationship where it was always, congratulations, hey, always supportive of each other, I was able to get certain information that I may not have. I would have access to it, but it might have taken me a way longer time to get that instead of just getting the way that I got. And also, on the flip side, sometimes too, as people, some people feel like if they help people in the stage, it's like, oh, that person's trying to steal my business, or that person is trying to do certain things. No. And that's some of the reason why I share certain tools and information on here, because there's a lot of people that plan wedding. There's a lot of people that plan venue. But I know what I bring to the table. I know the level of service that I provide, what set me apart from everyone else. So by helping somebody do certain things, it's not going to take away anything from me, because I'm confident in the service that I know. I know that my ideal clients will come to me in the same way. Not every client I want anyway, because there's certain people may not be my ideal clients, and you might have all the money in the world, but if you don't fit my ideal clients, I'm not going to accept you. And that's just what it is. My preference is my preference, because I work with people that I know will set my business to where I need it to go. And I'm not talking about, statue, particular statue, whatever the case may be. It can be somebody who got a $10,000 budget. It can be somebody who have $1 million budget. I don't pick and choose what your lifestyle is, what kind of person you are. As long as you fall in line with my core values, that's what she said, my core values, I'm okay with that. So to go back to what I was saying is that you have to people are brought into your life for a seasons and a reasons. You never know who you're gonna need. There's a saying: the same step that you use to climb up and pass people is the same step you're gonna use when you're coming back down. Nobody can do it all by themselves. We need people. So whatever, so in relationship, somebody hurt you, yes, you can, and to eliminate at times, you have to learn to set boundaries for yourself. Because if people know what to expect from you, they know what they cannot do. Eliminate the amount of pain and struggle that you go to. Don't try to give too much of yourself trying to please other people, or do too much. So even when you know it's wrong, but you want to act like you're the best, nicest person in the world, and you're just trying to please them, in the end you end up hurting yourself. Sometimes, especially for women, we God giving us that intuition where we know when something's wrong, but we keep on going and doing the same thing over and over, and then we blame other people for our being hurt. You can't blame somebody for that. If you knew knowingly put yourself in a situation that you knew will cause you pain, but you expected a different outcome because you felt that person would change or do certain things because of you, then you're lying to yourself. Because from the beginning, if that person respected you and that person wanted that certain things from you, they would have opened up and give you. You don't have to try how. You didn't have to do anything. You just had to be yourself. So to sum it all up is, be professional. Don't be judgmental. If you have something that can help somebody, give it. You don't know where your blessing is coming from. It's not going to take anything out of you to be nice. If somebody wronged you, forgive that person to heal for you. Don't give somebody power over you, because when you hold on to that pain, they have more control over you than you think. Because sometimes they may not even be dreaming about you. They may not even care what you're doing. Learn to let go. Learn to forgive. You may not forget, but learn to forgive. Our scars is the one that make you better. Because sometimes when a wound heals, it changes you. Don't let somebody change you from being who you are. Be the best you that you can be. Have an open work relationship with people. And the one thing I can say is that I have a lot of friends. I know a lot of people, even like there's certain people in college that I have seen since I left out of college. But I know that I can, if I have to call them up for anything, they will be available because of the relationship that I left, the track record that I left. Be you. Respect each other. And great things gonna come. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. You can get more information about my playing services on www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, and also sign up for my free 30-minute consultation where we can talk about all my upcoming services. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.